What's up, guys? Today we're making the perfect sweet potato fries, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cutting up our sweet potato into french fries. So you can cut them however you want or how thick you want, but while you're doing this, just make sure you preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. So I like to cut mine in half and then take the half and like slice them down and then slice them again. And then we're going to take our avocado oil spray, add our Cajun seasoning and our garlic salt or garlic powder, and then we're just going to mix it around until it's all thoroughly combined. And then you're going to take your air fryer and we're going to spray it with avocado oil spray. And then we're going to cook them. If you're doing 2 sweet potatoes, then you're going to do 14 minutes. But if you're doing only 1 sweet potato, then you'll do 10 minutes at 375. And then when they're done, they'll be nice and look like this. Time for the fries. I made them with my own dipping sauce because I'm obsessed with making any kind of aioli. It's just the perfect texture for dipping. They're honestly so good though.